I don't think the elevator was working. It's not working actually. This is right here. Fully modernize the building out of all new parts, equipment to enhance elevator performance. Oh man, they're modernizing it. That's a bummer. It would have been really nice to see the original. Oh wow, epic fail. Doesn't work. It would be nice to write it original. I was a little too late for it. Just fire up the years. And as you can see, it's getting modernized. Yeah, you can see the call station. Should take a look at the cab. It's a bummer. Oh well. Rest in peace. Thought it would work. I guess my anticipations, my predictions were wrong. Came a little too late for it. So I have to come back in 2 or 3 months. Anyways, over there is like a vintage car over there. Anyways, that's gonna be it.